Welcome to part 14 of our series, where we dive deep into Social Security and Medicare planning. These are essential pillars for securing your financial and healthcare well-being in retirement. Navigating these systems can be complex, but mastering their rules can significantly enhance your retirement income and peace of mind. Let's start with Social Security. It's the foundation of most retirement plans. Social Security replaces a portion of your pre-retirement income, and the age you start claiming benefits matters. Claiming early at 62 can reduce your benefits by up to 30%, while delaying until 70 increases your monthly payment by 8% per year. Smart claiming strategies can optimize your lifetime payout and coordinate spousal benefits effectively. Married couples can often maximize benefits by having the higher earner delay their claim. Don't forget to review your Social Security record annually and get projections from SSA.gov. Now, let's talk about Medicare, which kicks in at age 65 and is crucial for retiree healthcare. Medicare has several parts. Part A covers hospital stays, usually premium-free, while Part B covers doctor visits and outpatient care. Part D is for prescription drugs, and Medicare Advantage combines A, B, and often D, plus extra services. Enrollment starts 3 months before your 65th birthday, so don't miss that window to avoid penalties. Each year, compare coverage networks and costs to ensure you're getting the best plan for your needs. Even with Medicare, healthcare costs can be significant, averaging over $300,000 for a couple in retirement. Consider Medigap insurance to help cover out-of-pocket expenses not included in Medicare. Utilize annual wellness visits to catch health issues early and minimize future costs. If you take multiple prescriptions, review your Part D and Advantage plans annually, as they can change. Health savings accounts, or HSAs, are a fantastic tax-advantaged option before enrolling in Medicare. Max out your HSA contributions while you can. Withdrawals for medical expenses are tax-free at any age. Once you're on Medicare, you can't contribute to HSAs, but you can still use the funds for qualified expenses. Long-term care is another critical aspect. Over half of retirees will need some form of it, which Medicare doesn't fully cover. Long-term care insurance can protect your assets and provide peace of mind, especially for families with health histories of decline. Look for policies that offer inflation protection and various care settings. Be proactive and review these options in your late 50s and early 60s to avoid steep premium hikes later. Income can impact your Medicare premiums, so be mindful of your modified adjusted gross income. If you exceed certain thresholds, your premiums can rise sharply, so plan your income carefully. Appeal any IRMAA surcharges if you experience a life-changing event that affects your income. In summary, Social Security and Medicare decisions are vital for a successful retirement. Maximize your benefits by timing your claims, reviewing plans annually, and managing your income wisely. For more information, contact Kris Keush.